Boneless chicken 500 gram. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 2 to 3 tablespoon milk. Mix. Marinated for half an hour. Preparation. 1.5 tablespoon sugar. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 2 tablespoon chili garlic ketchup. Mix. 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoon rice flour. Half teaspoon salt. Water for paste. Mix. Add paste in marinated chicken. Mix. Fry again. Cook sauce for 1 minute on medium flame. Add chicken. For garnishing, spring onion and sesame seeds.